So which taxpayers? So individuals over 10,000, partnerships coming in later, exemptions, so not included would be income exemption. So if you're below 10,000, you wouldn't be coming into that. Digitally excluded customers. So if a customer has an exemption from online filing from days gone by, they would have been given an exemption for MTD VAT. If you have an exemption for online filing or MTD VAT, then you will be given an automatic exemption for income tax self-assessment. The exemption process for VAT is open and alive and kicking. And it's very interesting to note that people were saying, oh, there'll be thousands and thousands of people who will not be able to meet the MTD requirements. We have a VAT register of just about 2 million businesses. There's only 4,500 have applied for an exemption, so everyone else seems to be able to comply, which is fantastic news. The exemption process for ITSA, if you're not already exempt and you wish to make a claim for exemption, then that process will open in 2023. Trustees, non-resident companies and foreign businesses of non-UK domiciled individuals will also be exempt from ITSA. So what's not changing? So particularly for your self-assessment customers, if they are using the rent-a-room scheme, then that's not going to change. The customer, if they receive less than £7,500 of qualifying income, they don't need to submit a return. If the income exceeds the threshold, they will need to submit an essay return and either pay on the excess above 7,500 or declare their income and expenses. So if a client is in the rent-a-room scheme, they will be very familiar with that process. We're not changing the property income or trading income allowances. So again, if a customer is below £1,000, then they don't normally need to declare these amounts on a tax return and wouldn't be coming in to MTD.